So I know I've been driving everybody a little crazy with all this talk and woes about my joiner, planer, my Hammer A341, and the joiner portion in particular. Not being able to fine-tune it just exactly right, and that's what I want. So I've posted to Instagram, I've been on user groups, and I've been getting a lot of feedback from a lot of people. A lot of DMs and a lot of emails, people telling me stuff. And there's one thing I've kind of neglected to put into the equation, and that is the planer. Because the planer is the best planer I've ever had by far. And I really don't want to give that up. I kind of took it for granted, I guess, that all these machines, you know, have got this new technology where they can do all this wonderful stuff with the planer. But some of the feedback I'm getting kind of says maybe that's not so, and I'd like to explore that. So what this planer is able to do is I can take 2 or 3 thousandths of an inch off controllably, and I do a lot of floating tenons, so I run them through here and size them, and I can really quickly get right down to a perfect fit. It's the only planer or only machine that I have that will do that. Not only that, it leaves no planer marks when taking off low passes like that. There is a little bit of snipe in the planer, but it's only about 3 thousandths, 2 thousandths. I have found that if I take a very light pass on the very last pass, say 5 thousandths or something like that, it eliminates all this snipe. So what I would like to do is I'd like to get some more feedback. If you have a Felder or a Hammer or a Minimax or a Roebling or whatever, run some stuff through it and tell me if you can controllably take off 2 or 3 thousandths of an inch, knowingly, not just guessing, not just cranking it up a little bit and then taking the calipers and say, well, no, that was 10 thousandths, I'll crank it back. But no, taking it, turning the dial, and controllably getting it within a couple thousandths of an inch. And then if you can do that, do you have planer marks? Do you have feed roller marks, rather? So I'm going to show you this. I've already ran this through once, so it's right to size. I'm going to crank it up. Well, I'll run it again and prove it. I'll run it again, take a reading, and then I'll take off 2 or 3 thousandths from that and show you what it does and show you what it looks like when it's finished. So let's go do that. Eight, six, seven, okay? Okay, our previous reading was 867. We're at 864, so that's 3 thousandths. So, let me know. Can your machine do this? Can it take off 2 or 3 thousandths of an inch controllably and leave no feed roller marks? I'd like to know that. I don't know if this machine is just an anomaly or if they all can do that or not, but that's something I need to put into my equation on considering getting rid of this machine or fixing it.